All right, so far I basically replaced the valve cover gasket, which was pretty crumbed up bad and has some gaps in between it. So there's a new Felpro that's installed. I just finished up with the throttle body spacer and connect the lines, the vacuum lines, and all the oil catch can and secondary, I guess, vacuum tender catch can. And still working on this battery. It's still desulfating, which means that it's taking off the sulfuric acid portion off the battery and trying to rejuvenate it. Or if I said it incorrectly, just look it up online, desulfate battery, and it can give you an explanation what that means, especially in AGM batteries. Aside from that, it's cold. It's supposed to be snowing and icing soon, but I don't think it's going to happen. So I'm just continuing what I can. Right now I also have, I'm not sure you can see or not, you probably can't, got the light on, but I'm also doing piston soaking as well. Try to lubricate those cylinders and get off some kind of carbon, because apparently this engine came from up north, had a lot of corrosion around it. So I went and got my old throttle body and put it on, and it wasn't as bad as this other one over here. You see how this is all gunky, and the throttle body gasket itself is really horrible. It's caked on, actually almost baked on. I mean, that's, come on. Maybe you open it up. One hand is not easy. You open it up, you can see how caked it is. So that didn't help. Hope I can, like I said, bring the car back to life. See what happens.